Hello everyone. Well, as you know, that the Council for the ICSE board has released a specimen question paper for all the subjects for semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books in different subjects. This is the book for English literature. This is basically a question bank with model test papers. Please note, this book is as per the latest reduced and bifurcated syllabus for academic year 2021 and 22 for semester 2 examinations, which are to be held in the month of March and April. Let me tell you what is this book all about. To start with, this book has drama sections, which includes the paraphrase and question bank. Then the prose section, again, which includes summary and question bank. Then the poetry section, which includes paraphrase and question bank. After this, they have the specimen question paper, which is solved, released by the cIsce. And after the specimen question paper, there are few model test papers, which are strictly based on the specimen question paper released by the council. Now, let me show you how the book has been designed. To start with, in the starting, the complete syllabus is given. You can see the complete syllabus is given here. After the syllabus, the bifurcated syllabus is given for semester 1 and semester 2. As you all know, both the semesters are for 40 marks each, but we will be talking only about semester 2 since semester 2 examinations are going to happen. And this book is based for semester 2 examinations. So after the syllabus and the bifurcated syllabus, the contents are given here. You can see this book has been very thoughtfully and beautifully designed. This book is actually divided into 3 different sections. Section A is the paraphrase, summary and question bank. In section A, there are 3 different sections, subsections. First subsection is drama. The second subsection is prose and then poetry. So after section A, we come to section B, which is the specimen question paper. Now this is the specimen question paper, which is released by cIsce. After section B, there is section C, which is the model test papers. You can see there are almost 5 model test papers which are unsolved based on the specimen question paper for the practice of the students. Now let us see how the section A is designed. So this is section A, the first subsection, which is the drama section. So you can see the drama section is there, the paraphrase is there. This is all paraphrase of the drama section. You can see the paraphrase, the drama. So it is all continuing. Everything is written. Now, after the paraphrase of the drama section, there is the question bank. Please note that this is a solved question bank. All the solutions are provided along with the questions. You can see, suppose for the first question, the Duke of Venice greets Antonio and expresses, and the option is given C. So all the answers are given along with the questions. So this is the question bank. Now, the second subsection, which is the poetry. So you can see the paraphrase poetry is given here. After the paraphrase and of poetry, the question bank is there. Again, all the solutions are provided along with the questions. Let me also tell you, these question banks are actually based on the specimen question paper, which is released by the council. Also, the question bank which is provided here has been made keeping in mind the previous question papers, the previous question papers of various years. So this is all the question bank along with the answers. After that, the paraphrase again is there. Again, the question bank is there, the solved question bank, all the answers are provided here. The second part of the question bank, it's a rich question bank for the students to practice actually. So this is all All type of questions are there, the multiple choice type questions, the short questions, and then the long answer type questions. So the two students can actually practice well. Also, let me tell you, there are questions from previous years, right? So they are also been provided in the question banks so that the students can actually refer to them in case the question gets repeated in the next examination. So this is all provided along with the answers. After that, we come to section B of the book, which is the specimen question paper. Now, this is a solved specimen question paper released by cIsce. So you can see this is the solved specimen question paper. The first part is section A, then section B is drama, section C is prose, which is short stories, and then section D, which is poetry. So this is how the specimen question paper is there. After the section B part, which is the specimen question paper, we come to section C, which is the model test papers. Now, as I have told you earlier, there are almost 5 model test papers unsolved. This is model test paper number 1. Let me also tell you, this model test paper is strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by cIsce. So this is the model test papers. Again, the section A, section B is drama, section C is prose, and section D is poetry. So after this, the model test paper ends. Similarly, all 5 model test papers are designed. So this is how the book is designed. If you want to see more subjects, more question banks and model test papers, you can visit our website. The website is www.goyal-books.com. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.